I'm Jenna Lee, and today I am going to introduce you to the fantastic Starpresso. Let me show you how it works. This is the Starpresso. So, to begin, you put the coffee in first. Unscrew the bottom. This section is for frothing milk. I'll show you about that later. This cylinder is what you put the coffee in. Tap down on it so that you create a compress and put it back into the bottom of this cylinder. And screw that right back in. Place it onto the bottom section and remove the lid. This is where we'll add the hot water. So be careful as you fill up this top cylinder and then screw the lid on. To release the pump is very easy and lift. So very easy, just gently pump down, and as you're pumping you'll begin to see the espresso filling up the shot glass below. I can smell the espresso. It smells delicious. And we'll keep pumping until we can feel that all of the water has been pressed out of the top cylinder into the shot glass below. Okay. Now we'll remove the top part. And we have our shot of espresso. It smells great. Let me give it a taste. That's delicious.